Hi guys, it's Khushi and in today's video I am going to try out DOMS Hobby Essentials Fluid Acrylic Colors Kit. So basically this is a fluid acrylic colors kit and it is available in 4 different variants such as vibrant, neon, metallic and pearl, and in today's video I am going to try out the pearl variant. The MRP of this kit is 250 rupees. The backside of the packet mainly contains instructions for use and also they have mentioned a swirl technique. You can use or follow that technique, otherwise you can also opt for your favorite technique. So without wasting any more further time, let's just open the packet and see what's inside. I'm very excited to open this packet और मुझे लगता है आप लोग भी मेरे जितना ही एक्साइटेड होंगे ये देखने के लिए कि इसके अंदर क्या क्या प्रोवाइड किया गया है। तो मैंने डोम्स की बहुत ज़्यादा किट को अनबॉक्स किया है और रिव्यू किया है और इन सब किट में जिपलॉक पैकेजिंग एक कॉमन फैक्टर है। So in this packet basically you get 2 canvases and 5 different fluid acrylic colors. All these fluid acrylic colors are in the pearl shade and in a ready to pour bottle. So firstly we have pearl white, pearl red, pearl violet, pearl turquoise green and pearl blue. In this kit they have also provided us with an apron and hand gloves. Fluid art is always going to be messy, so hand gloves and an apron are must. So the smaller canvas that we get is 4 by 4 inch, which is a 10 by 10 centimeter, and the bigger canvas is 8 by 8 inch, which is 20 by 20 centimeter. So this is the apron that they have provided us with. I am basically not going to wear this one. I am going to place this on the floor because fluid art is going to be very messy. So I've already lined up my floor with some newspaper, and on top of that I am going to place this apron. So after we are done lining up the floor with the newspaper and the apron, I am going to use this tape to elevate the surface so I can place my canvas on a distance from the floor. Make sure whichever object that you are using, whether it is a tape or whether it is any other object, you place it under the apron so it is safe from the paint. So in this video, I am going to use the 8 by 8 inch canvas board. If you are new to this channel, you might not know that I have already uploaded 2 videos on fluid art, and the link to those videos will be mentioned in the description box. If you like fluid art, do check them out as well. But this is my first time trying out a fluid acrylic kit from DOMS. So place the canvas, wear your gloves and get ready to pour the colors. So this part of the video I'm not going to talk, just enjoy the process. It looks very satisfying to watch. I will just pop the names of the colors on the screen. So to make the magic happen, I am using a hair dryer. You can also use a straw to blow the colors, but when you are using a straw you need to be quick because fluid acrylic colors dry out very quickly. And once the canvas board is filled with colors, make sure that you cover the edges of the canvas with the paint. And this is what the final outcome looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you want to watch more such videos, then do comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.